Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 ways to build wealth in 2022. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. The year 2022 has been tricky for everyone. The pandemic has hit the world hard and people are struggling to cope with the loss of loved ones, job losses, and other challenges. In addition, the economy took a nosedive, leaving many people struggling to make ends meet. However, things have been even more challenging for those in the silver linings. We're the ones who are still employed, still working long hours, and still trying to keep our heads above water. We're the ones who are constantly being asked to do more with less. And we're the ones who are constantly juggling multiple balls, trying to keep all of them in the air. In these challenging times, many people are feeling the financial pinch. With jobs lost and business struggling, it's easy to feel there's no hope for the future. However, people are starting to realize that small things can make a big difference. From growing vegetables in their backyard to investing in creative business, people find new ways to build their wealth. While the pandemic has been a difficult time for many, it has also shown that people are capable of adapting and thriving in the face of adversity. In this video, we will share with you the 10 ways to build your wealth this year 2022. The first way is to have a passive income. A passive income is a great way to earn money without putting in a lot of effort. Many people think they need to have a job to make money, but that's not necessarily true. There are many ways to generate passive income and more people are doing it. You should know a few things about passive income before you start generating it though. First, it's essential to understand the difference between active and passive income. Active income is money you earn from working at a job. Passive income is money you earn from investments or other sources that don't require you to work for it actively. For example, if you own a rental property, your rent is considered passive income. Second, it's essential to know that passive income can come in different forms. It can be earned through investments like stocks, bonds, and real estate, or it can come from other sources like royalties, from books, or music. Finally, it's important to remember that generating passive income takes time and effort. It's not something that will happen overnight, but if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a great way to earn extra money and build your wealth. Second, plan your goals. A primary key to building wealth is to have a clear plan with specific goals. Most people have some idea of what they want to achieve financially, but few take the time to sit down and develop a clear plan. Without plan, it's too easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind and lose sight of your long-term goals. This may seem like common sense, but you would be surprised how many people don't take time to do this. If you want to succeed in anything, it's essential to have a roadmap telling you where you're going and how to get there. Otherwise, you'll end up driving in circles. So take the time to develop a financial plan with specific goals and work diligently to achieve those goals. It's the surest way to build your wealth over time. Third, diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio has always been important, but it's more important this year than ever. With the stock market fluctuating and the economy still uncertain, diversifying your portfolio is one of the best ways to protect your wealth. By investing in different asset classes, you can minimize your risk and maximize your growth potential. Protecting your wealth is essential this year, and diversifying your portfolio is one of the best ways. This year, consider diversifying into new asset classes such as real estate or precious metals. Or if you're already diversified, consider rebalancing your portfolio to ensure that you're still adequately diversified. Next, try affiliate marketing. Although the terms affiliate marketing and performance marketing are often used interchangeably, affiliate marketing is a specific type of performance marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. Companies pay affiliates based on predetermined criteria such as clicks, sales, leads, or sign-ups in affiliate marketing. This ensures that affiliates are only paid for their results, making it a low-risk way for businesses to expand their reach. Affiliate marketing programs are also relatively easy to set up and manage, making them attractive for companies of all sizes. If you're looking for a way to build your wealth, affiliate marketing is a great option. It's easy to get started and there are plenty of opportunities to make money. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing industries globally, and with the right approach, it can be highly lucrative. There are a few things to keep in mind if you're interested in affiliate marketing. First, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about. This will help you create valuable and relevant content for your audience. Second, you need to build up a platform where you can promote your affiliate links. And finally, you need to put in the work to drive traffic and convert leads into sales. If you're willing to put in the effort, affiliate marketing can be a great way to build your wealth. So why not give it a try this year? You could be surprised at how much money you can make. Then, you should invest in REITs. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, are becoming an increasingly popular way to invest in the real estate market. By pooling together money from many different investors, REITs provide a way to invest in large-scale real estate projects without buying and managing a property yourself. And because REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends, they can offer a high level of dividend income. There are many different REITs available, each with its own set of benefits and risks. For example, office REITs tend to be less risky than retail REITs, offering lower returns. However, no matter what type of REIT you choose, investing in this asset class can help you diversify your portfolio and potentially build wealth over time. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Eliminating your debt is the sixth. Most people think that to be rich, you need to have a lot of money. But what if I told you that eliminating your debt is the first step to becoming truly wealthy? It may seem counterintuitive, but it's true. When you have the obligation, you see, you're paying someone else to use your money. By eliminating your debt, you're effectively increasing your net worth. And as your net worth goes up, so does your wealth. This can be a difficult task, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many resources are available to help you get out of debt and on the path to riches. With a little bit of effort, you can be debt-free and on your way to achieving your financial goals. Seventh, reinvest dividends. Dividends are a great way to reinvest your money and grow your wealth. When you reinvest your dividends, you essentially give yourself a pay raise. The more you reinvest, the greater your growth potential. Reinvesting in dividends is also a great way to achieve financial independence. When you have an extensive enough portfolio, you can live off the dividends and no longer rely on a paycheck from a job. This can allow you to retire early or pursue other passions in life. However, there are few things to consider before automatically reinvesting your dividends. First, you'll need to decide whether you want to reinvest in the same security that paid the premium or whether you're looking to diversify your holdings. Second, you'll need to think about the costs associated with reinvesting. For example, if you're buying additional shares of stock, you'll need to pay brokerage fees. Finally, you'll need to consider the tax implications of reinvesting dividends. It may be more advantageous to take the cash payout in some cases. When it comes to investing, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The best approach for you will depend on your individual financial goals. 8th, top up your pension contribution. There's no doubt about it. Saving for retirement can be challenging. Between balancing a budget and dealing with the ups and downs of the stock market, it can be hard to know where to start. However, one of the best ways to ensure a comfortable retirement is to top up your pension contributions. By increasing your contributions now, you'll be able to take advantage of compound interest and allow your money to grow over time. In addition, you may also be eligible for government subsidies or tax breaks. which can further boost your nest egg. With a little planning and discipline, topping up your pension contributions can help you achieve financial freedom in retirement. Ninth, increase your savings. It's no secret that saving money is essential to building wealth. One of the best ways to save money is to set up a budget and stick to it. By carefully tracking your income and expenses, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you may decide to eat out less often or purchase cheaper groceries. By increasing your savings this year, you'll be going to a bright financial future. Another tip is to automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account. This way, you'll never even see the money and be less tempted to spend it. Whatever measures you take, remember that even small changes can add up over time and make a big difference in your bottom line. So put away those credit cards and start saving your future today. Lastly, have more side hustles. In this day and age, it's more important than ever to have a side hustle. With the cost of living rising and the job market becoming increasingly competitive, a side hustle can provide some much-needed financial stability. And if you're smart about it, your side hustle can even help you build wealth. And with the internet making it easier than ever to connect with customers and clients, there's no excuse to start your own business. If you're looking to make some extra cash or gain financial freedom, consider pursuing a side hustle in 2022. You won't regret it. Anyone can achieve wealth through goal setting, hard work, and determination. While it's not always easy, it is possible to achieve financial success no matter where you start. The key is to have a clear goal in mind and be willing to put in the hard work required to reach it. Anything is possible once you have a plan and are committed to seeing it through. So if you're looking to achieve financial security, don't be discouraged. With the right approach, anyone can succeed. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.